Here I have Honor on Lite, and let me show you how to activate the battery saver on the following device. So, starting from your home screen, you have to select the settings, then find and pick battery, it's here. And now you can simply enable power saving mode by tapping on this icon. Confirm it. And since now your device is in power saving mode. For some extra situation, you have ultra power saving mode, where only selected apps are available, so you can switch off this mode and enable ultra power saving mode. You just have to confirm that you are aware that only some apps will be available and tap on enable. And that's it, that's how it looks like. If you would like to quit it, just tap on this icon, exit icon, and confirm it by tapping on exit. And you are back in normal mode. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.